something new, but now my body's sick. I'm tired of dwelling in the dark, it's just that my heart can't take it. I didn't know what it would cost me when I let you go. I feel alone.
And this is the beauty and miracle of marriage. Two people coming together as one. It's not your love that sustains the marriage as other people think of it, but it is the marriage that sustains love.
It will never go away until we make up. I can't be myself. I never knew how much I needed you. It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. You could have been the one who made me feel home. What a crime and what a shame to let go. It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. You could have been the one who made me feel at home. What a crime and what a shame to let you go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do. It should have been you.
14 years ago, alam ko ikaw na. Ikaw na yung papakasalan at makakasama ko habang buhay. Pero as we grow together and the longer na magkasama tayo, doon ko naiintindihan na ang magmahal at mahalin ay komplikado. Pero syempre we're still too young during those days. And since we're still young that time, madali tayong bumitaw. Madali tayong umayaw. Then we had to take separate paths to find and know ourselves further, to be more prepared and equipped when the right time comes.
I was desperate for love and attention. I knew that it was you who would finally complete me. Even though people have left, I am at peace knowing that I have found my worth in you. But we failed. We remained empty. I realized it is not you who I can find the answers for all my struggles within and the love that I'm longing for. It is not me who can love you the way you should be loved, but this is the reason why we finally see the one who truly loves us. The one who loved us even at our worst. It is the love that saved us and made us completely whole. The author of love rewrote our story. Our brokenness led us to find the wholeness in Him.
Then as I journeyed alone, I was led back to you by God. It seems that God is telling me that time na,
anak, kaya mo na ulit. Kaya mo na ulit magmahal. Handa ka na ulit madapa. Pero sa pagkakataon na to, meron nang iyakap sa'yo.
Alam ko, ako yung lumayo. Walang karapatang magreklamo. Ngunit bumabalik pa rin.
He did not give up on us. Truly, He has made everything beautiful in His time. It is all by God's grace that we can love now, because He allowed us to experience the perfect love that only He can give. And now, it made me realize even more that it is not always easy to love, but it is now God who sustains our relationship.
Kung papayagan mong tayo'y bumalik sa huling tagpuan natin, di papalampasin.
narinig ka sa audio.
May kamaya ka! Ako ba sa iyong mga mata? May pag-asa ba tayong dalawa? At kung sa huli di maibalik, patawarin sana. Kung papayagan mo.
Rachel. And here we are standing in front of each other after all the challenges and sufferings we faced, but this time together. We're not alone anymore in this journey and season that God is giving to us.
Papalampasin ang pagkakataong sabihin lumisan ang lahat, ikaw pa rin. Kahit sa